Hello and happy Tuesday. So sorry there was not a Vlogtober for yesterday, but my stress level had just got to its breaking point and I just called it a day. I haven't even touched knitting at all yesterday or today. I've been cleaning my in-laws, and I had to run to Aldi's and I had to run to Lowe's with a husband. And we're at Lowe's and I'm like, I'm gonna go look at the Christmas stuff because I got all the Christmas stuff out. Y'all. I've got to show you this amazing find. So I walk around the corner at Lowe's and I look up at the blow mold because I love blow molds. And lo and behold, Lowe's has a 3-foot Christmas llama that May came home with me for my birthday. So we're going to quickly open this thing up before my family comes inside so they won't think I'm crazy. Which I think they already know at this point. Oh my gosh. So this thing is much bigger than I anticipated. It didn't look as big up high, but it was up high. You have a box, and you got the lights. Oh, it's got 2 lights. Oh, its head is in the bottom of it. So the bottom cavity has its head. Oh my goodness. It's so cool. Like, how does that go in? So in love with this thing. This is my 3.5-foot light up Christmas llama. Yeah, well, we'll hope to sit down and talk to you later about some yarn. I don't know. This may be all you get today because it's just been another one of those days. But if this is all you get, just know that we went out with a bang, hanging out with a blow mold llama that is currently sitting on my island.